Oh, she's pissed. You're getting your nails trimmed today, bitch.
Just checking on the tiny human.
Hey guys, I lost my cat. I lost my cat, so if anyone can tell me where he is.
Round 47 of leg versus paw. The Great Spaghetti Robbery of 2025.
We're just living with him? You're just gonna sniff him and that's it? Come on, scare him away. Joey.
What is that? Is that a bus?
Close quarter combat.
The whole bath